Welcome to the Medical Device Made Easy podcast. This is a brand new podcast regarding the medical device industry. Within this podcast, you will learn about the medical device regulation and standards. But first, let's introduce myself, and then I will introduce more about how we will do with this podcast. So first, I am Mounir El Azzouzi. I am your host, and I am a medical device expert. I am French, maybe you'll notice with my accent, and I'm living in France. I'm married with 3 kids. The last one was just got born last month, so it's a bit noisy, but it's really a gift for us. In terms of professional activities, as I said, I'm a medical device expert on quality and regulatory affairs, so I've mainly worked on those 2 departments. I also have made some engineering, but it was really a small piece. What I've done first, I started my career in the medical device industry started in the dental industry. I was making those small drills and handpieces that the dentist is using. You know, the ones that are making a lot of noise and that are making some holes on your teeth. I'm sure you remember this noise. Maybe you are still scared of it. So then it's maybe my fault then. Then I went to the orthopedic industry. I worked within some companies that were manufacturing knee implants with the instrumentation and also spine implants. It was also interesting to see how this metal can be used to replace some part of the body. It's always interesting to see that our industry is sometimes making some products that are used like spare parts for some elements of our body. So interesting. Then I went to the pharma industry. I just spent some years there where I really enjoyed learning about also how to manage a drug product. I was in charge of a portfolio of drug and medical device, so it was really interesting just to see the comparison between the medical device regulations all over the world and also the pharma regulations. So I keep a good memory of this time. Then I moved to the plasma sterilization, which is a kind of sterilization which is called cold sterilization. So it's used mainly to sterilize some products, some medical devices that are sensitive to the heat, or like from the steam sterilization. It was also interesting for me as it's the first company where I was working with. There was a lot of machinery, so a lot of service. So we had also to work in terms of customer service, complaints from customers on that case. And my last experience and current also is with the trauma industry, where I manufacture products specifically for trauma, which is also an interesting field because it's more in terms of emergency. We have to deliver quickly. It's not kind of an operation that people are planning. It's mainly when there is an emergency in the hospital. Okay. And aside of that, I also created a blog called easymedicaldevice.com. This blog is used mainly to share information about medical device regulation, also to provide some documents to download. And what I have done after that is also to create a YouTube channel, because I saw a lot of people that were saying that they would really like to have some videos attached to some articles. It's easier for them to see people speaking in a video apparently than to read. So then I decided to create a YouTube channel. And my last thing now is to create this podcast because I'm sure there are some people that are also interested maybe to hear me or hear about regulatory affairs or quality while they are jogging or driving to go to work. So for those people, here is a podcast that they can enjoy. So how we will do this podcast? So this podcast will be done in 2 ways. First, there will be a series of solo podcasts, so mainly where I will talk alone, provide information, some tips, some data that you can use to understand the medical device regulations, all over the world. I will specifically go now for the European regulation, as there is a lot of changes coming, but I will also touch some regulation like the FDA on visa, China, etc. Then there will be also some episodes which will be not solo, but with an interview. I will interview some people in the medical device industry just to understand what they are doing and how they are applying some requirements, and maybe to get also some experience. So I'll have to try to find some people that will be really interesting for you, so that you can learn and can also understand how to implement some of the activities that are required for you. So here it is. As I said, it will be really a short episode today. I wanted just to introduce myself and introduce the podcast. So I hope you will like it. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be also informed about the next episode. And I will see you within the next episode. The next episode will be about the medical device regulation. I will explain you a bit more about it, about the transition, about the changes, about how to implement that. So don't miss it. And I will see you then within the next episode. So thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye-bye.